So maybe you are in Bangkok, Thailand on your vacation you've dreamed of and something broke or you lost something or you forgot something. It happens to all of us, right? So this video is all about showing you what you can find in Bangkok and where, so you don't have to like wonder, where do I go to get that hairbrush or that shampoo or that charger or whatever it is that broke, you lost, or forgot. That is what this video is. I'm going to show you guys around Bangkok, Thailand. Are you ready? Let's go. One of the first things I'm going to tell you before I take you around Bangkok and show you around is you need to download the Grab app and the Bolt app. Get it downloaded, get your credit card in, get your account set up, get all that done before you get on the plane and come to Bangkok, Thailand. You need to have those. There you can order a Grab, which is like a ride, like Uber or Lyft. You can order food like a DoorDash or Uber Eats. You can order from the grocery store like Instacart. It's all in one app and it's really easy. And Bolt is a lot cheaper to get rides on. So you want to have that as a backup. And if you're coming with your wife or your family, everybody should have it, because what happened to us when we first came is we had like a weird limit because we were new customers and we were stranded almost without a ride because the app was like, you've used all your rides, you have to wait 24 hours. And we were like, what do we do? What do we do? So thankfully she was able to download it, set up her own account and get a ride through her app. And so we learned right there to teach you guys, both have it. Everybody has it. Have both apps so you have a backup. Be sure that you don't miss this tip. All right, let's go find the things you need in Bangkok, Thailand. You ready? 7-Eleven is everywhere in Thailand. You can find it. They're always clean and helpful and nice. You can get food here, snack food, medicine, shampoo, conditioner, toothbrushes, razors, baby stuff, female stuff, male stuff. Anything you need was probably going to be at a 7-Eleven, and there's probably one right next to your hotel. They are literally everywhere. You can walk down the street and find one almost everywhere you go. If you can't find a 7-Eleven, you're going to find a Lawson's or some kind of convenience store like a Boots, and you're going to find what you're looking for. If you can't find it at 7-Eleven, you went there, you looked, you're like, I can't find what I'm looking for. Keep watching. Okay guys, check this out. If you need conditioner, baby stuff, shampoo, women's products, men's products, it's all right here at 7-Eleven. You can find it anywhere and everywhere. There's 7-Elevens everywhere. Look at this, toothbrushes, toothpaste. You can get travel size shampoo for women and for men. It's very, very, very affordable too. So cheap. And then of course you got drinks, cold drinks, warm drinks, candies, snacks. You can even get full meals. You can get toilet paper. You can get tissue paper. You can get baby diapers. Look at all this. You can get anything you want, even laundry detergent right at 7-Eleven. It is absolutely crazy. And unlike the America, you can even get full-on meals. They have microwaves and cooking places. You can get full-on meals. You can even get milk here if you need milk for your hotel room or for your baby or for cereal or whatever. There's chocolate milk, there's caramel milk, there's regular milk, there's lactose-free milk, there's soy milk, there's almond milk. I mean, look at this. You can get anything in travel sizes, just what you need for your hotel room, for your mini fridge in your hotel room. And you can even buy meals. Look at this. And they'll warm them up and cook them for you. It's really, really awesome. Keep watching. We're going to go find some more stuff that you need while you're in Bangkok that you may have forgotten, broken, or lost. Keep with me. I'm going to take you to another store right now, and we're going to show you if you lost something, forgot something, need something, tapes, a converter, super glue, even right behind me here at 7-Eleven. They've got everything, phone chargers, scissors, razor blades, things for men. Anything you need, you can pretty much find here. But if you can't find it at 7-Eleven, let's go to another store. I'm going to show you another store here in Bangkok that has even more stuff that you might need. If 7-Eleven didn't work for you, come to Central World. It is a destination of itself. You want to see why you're here in Bangkok. And it has some stuff you need, supplies. Maybe you're looking for a battery, a charger, a hairbrush, something you couldn't find at 7-Eleven. This is where you come, Central World. You want to see it anyways because it's a huge, massive mall and it's got everything you want to see. It's got the best movie theater if you're looking for a theater. Be sure and check that video out. The bed is so awesome in first class. I highly recommend first class or the bed at Central World. So if you look right behind me, you'll see this glass square thing right here. That is the middle of the mall. So if you're facing Central World, go to the right and go all the way to the top floor. That's where you're going to find the cinema and you're going to find Tops. And Tops has everything you want: groceries, hairbrushes, makeup, anything like that you couldn't find at 7-Eleven. And then I'm going to show you a store called Power Buy. So let's go inside. Come on. This is Tops, right at the top floor of Central World, over by the cinema. You don't want to miss it. Let's go inside. I'm going to show you what you can get if you forgot something, if you lost something, if something broke, whatever it may be. If you're in Bangkok, this is where to go. If 7-Eleven doesn't have it, let's go. So you're going to find candy everywhere, any kind of candy you want at this grocery store. It's one of the best grocery stores I've been to. You're going to find American candy, Australian candy, world candy, Thai candy, whatever kind of candy you want. If you're staying for a little while and you want stuff like cereal, you want to cook, there's everything you can think of here, whatever you could think of. So let's look, let's find, there's some American cereal here. Look at this. You got even fruity Cocoa Pebbles. You got some healthier stuff, popcorn, pretty much anything you could want. And there's different sections by country, so you can find different stuff. But in the very back, where it says Tops Cares, this is where you're going to find vitamins, medicine, makeup, brushes, toothbrushes, toothpaste. They even have a pharmacy here. Anything you think you might need, you forgot, broke, whatever the case may be, you're like, oh, where do we go in Bangkok to find that? They even have kids shampoo and kids stuff, soap. If you're staying a little while or in a condo or Airbnb and need some hand soap, they have a ton of hand soap selections. Anything, stuff for men, all the stuff for men, razors, stuff for women. They've got coffee, teas, detergent, lotions, anything you could possibly want or need. And, we all forget stuff or break stuff, or lose stuff while we're traveling. So when I'm traveling, I'm always like, where do I go? What do I do? So I wanted to do this video and help you guys out so you could see that there's pretty much anything you could think of here in Bangkok, and just got to know where to go, right? Just got to know where to go. And so if you're facing Central World and you go to the right side all the way to the top, you're going to find Tops right by the cinema. It's right by all the restaurants and stuff too. And that way you can get what you need. Look, they even have hairbrushes for kids, for men. They got big hairbrushes, combs, everything you could think of. And even if it's not the perfect one you'd like to use at home, at least it's something to get you by while you're on your trip. And the prices are really affordable. Of course, 7-Eleven is going to be cheaper, but if you're in a bind and you need something and you didn't make it to 7-Eleven, or 7-Eleven didn't have what you like, then come here to Tops, because you're going to find everything. Snacks for your hotel room, snacks for your Airbnb. Look at this. They even have mouthwashes and mouth picks and whatever ever you think you might want or need that you forgot. They've got toilet paper and paper towels. They've got everything you could think of. And if you walk around a little bit, you'll find even more stuff as you walk around, because you might find cereal in one place and then they move it, or they have more in another aisle. Like here is some more like oatmeal stuff, more oatmeal type cereal. Then on the end aisle, there's some more like bran flakes, which I love bran flakes. And then there's all kinds of chips, American chips, Thai chips, European trips, Australian trips. I mean, you can just see there's just tons and tons of stuff. And you can pretty much find everything here. I've been to a lot of grocery stores here in Bangkok, but this is where you come to see everything. You even got Fruity Pebbles, you got Kit Kat stuff, you got Frosted Flakes, corn flakes, strawberry corn flakes, honey strawberry flakes, pretty much anything you could think of if you like cereal. So I hope this helps you. I hope if you're looking for something and you can't find it in Bangkok, you can now find it by watching this video. I'm gonna help you guys travel. If you're looking to travel and you think, I can't afford it, or I'm scared, or I don't even know where to begin, hit the link up right below in the description. It's a free waiting list. Join the waiting list because I'm only gonna give this away for free to a few people. And I want you guys to learn from me all the things I've learned over 10 years of traveling the world, and just do it. Just go travel. Just go get out there and take the adventures. I thought for 10 years I couldn't afford it, or I couldn't this, or I couldn't that. And now I'm doing it, and I've learned that on any budget you can do it. And I'm going to show you how. I'm going to do it all for you, everything, where to stay, how to book your flights, where to go, where to eat, all the things to relieve the stress from you. So hit that link below, join the waiting list, get the free version because it's not going to last long. And as soon as it comes out, you're going to be first to get notified, okay? So the next thing is a bonus tip. Stay with me, stay with me.
I'm going to survive.
So maybe something you have lost is a charger. You forgot your charger, it broke, you left it somewhere, you're looking for a battery, you're looking for a phone, you're looking for something electronic, then Power by Essential World is one of the best places to come. You can get pretty much anything electronic here. And if you live here and you've got a condo, it's really great for like fans or vacuum cleaners, anything like that. There's obviously other places and you can negotiate stuff. But if you're on vacation, especially, you're in a bind, you have limited time to like find that thing you forgot or you lost or broke, this is somewhere to come, Power by, to get something electronic. If you can't find it at 7-Eleven. Remember, 7-Eleven has everything. That's the beginning of my video. But this is about things you can't find at 7-Eleven or you didn't find that you'd like. So these are some other options for you. A little bonus here, guys. They even have, yes, Legos. You know I love Legos. I collect them. And they have Legos everywhere, just like we have in the USA or anywhere in the world. So if you want Legos for kids or for you, you can find it right here at Central World. Just a little bonus there for you guys. Central World is awesome. Come check it out. Hey guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe, and I'll love seeing your beautiful faces. I hope this helps you find the things you needed in Bangkok that you may have lost or broken or forgot at home, and you're here and you're like, where do I go? I hope this video helps you, and I will catch you guys in the next Zach's travel video. Hey, please give this a thumbs up, share it, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, become part of the Zach's Nation. A lot of videos coming to help you guys out, and a lot of cool stuff. I love seeing your beautiful faces. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for being part of Zach's Travel. Love you guys. Travel safe. Catch you in the next video. Peace.
Keep fighting.